Hey, hi guys, welcome to my video, and in this video we are going to see how to find day of the year. This is a very basic questions which is asked in bank POs, RRB, SSCGL and many other exams. And the type of question which is asked is like, what is the day of the year on 15th August 1947? So if you don't know the trick, it's really hard to find the day, but if you know the trick, it's really simple. So we are going to use a simple formula here, and this is the formula that you can see on my screen. Using this formula, we are going to find the day of the year. So if you substitute all these values here, and then you get a final value of h, and and then you divide this h by 7, and whatever the remainder that you are getting, that will find out what will be the day of the value. So D stands for date here, M stand for month, Y stand for last two digit of year. So if the year is 2019, then Y would be 119, and if the year is 1947, Y would be 47. And C stands for century. So if year is 2019, the century will be 20. If the year is 1947, the century would be 19. Now this is a simple month table that you have to follow to find out the value of M and Y that needs to be substituted in that formula. So if the month is March, it is 3, April is 4, May is 5, and so on till December, it is 12. Now you can see for Jan and Feb, it is 13 and 14. So it's not 1 and 2 for Jan and Feb, it is 13 and 14. So it starts from March with 3 up to December it is 12, then for Jan it is 13, and for Feb it is 14. And you can see the year also for Jan and Feb, it is year minus 1. So if you're talking about January 2019, the year is going to be 18 there, and the value of M will be 13 because it's January. Now, after getting the final value of h, you have to divide it by 7, and what will be the remainder? Using that remainder, you are going to find the day of the year. So, if you're getting a remainder of 0, it is Saturday, 1 is Sunday, and so on. So, you can see the week is starting from Saturday and it is ending at Friday. Now, we'll take one simple example and we will see how using this formula we can derive the day of the year within few seconds. So let's take the same old example. What is the day of the year on 15th August 1947? Now the value of D here is 15 because we are talking about 15th August. The value of M will be 8 because August is 8. We all know that. Year is last two digit, so it is 47, and the century is 19 here, 19. Now substitute these values into this formula, and this is what you get here. Make sure whatever division you are doing here, no decimals, only the quotient. So if you divide 117 by 5, you should get 23. 47 by 4, you should get 11. 19 by 4, you should get 4. So the final value of h will be 195. Now you divide this 195 by 7, and the remainder would be 6. So if we go back to this, 6 is Friday. So we can say 15th August 1947 was a Friday. Now let's take one more example here. What is the day of the year on 29th January 2019? Now first we'll get all these values. D is 29 because we have to find it for 29 January. M is 13. As I told you, for Jan and Feb it is 13 and Feb 14, and the year will be year minus 1. So going back to our question, M is going to be 13 for January, year is going to be 19 minus 1, that is 18, and century would be 20. Now substitute these value into this formula, and the final value that you are getting is 192 here. Now we divide this 192 by 7, and the remainder would be 3. Now if we go back here, 3 is Tuesday. So we can say 29 January 2019 was a Tuesday. So you have seen how with the help of a simple formula we can get this day of the year in few seconds. So practice some more examples, and if you have any questions or doubt, just drop me a note in the comment section of this video and I would be responding to you as soon as possible. So thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.